Hi, this is Topper Chef once again, and today I'm really excited of making our chicken satay Indonesian chicken wings. Now, the reason for this I'm excited is because this is one of my original recipes, and I used to do this in a restaurant before, and people used to love this. But this we used to do it with just chicken, just pieces of chicken grilled really well. Okay, so this is our Indonesian chicken wings. For this, we have taken salt. This is paprika powder to give color to it. Ginger, like I said, all the time, I always tell about taking dry spices, and this is ginger powder. You can get, don't put too much of ginger powder because then it becomes kind of bitter. This is garlic powder and 2 teaspoons of my hot chili sauce. This is really hot, so be careful with it. And as usual, I always use the rind of, I use the zest or the skin of the lime. You use the maximum, it gives a nice zesty flavor to it. Okay, we are back. I just grated all the rind of the lime, and as usual, I'm gonna squeeze this all the way through. You can also put it in the chicken, on the chicken itself. I'm strong enough to squeeze everything through. And for this, little bit of coconut milk. There we go. Just mix this all together. Like I said again, you don't want it very runny for a marinade. It has to be, I should have put a little less of that, but I know this is good. Let's get good and pour it on this. This is, now for this, what I'm gonna do is have to put little more peanut powder on it, or peanut taste, or peanut butter on this stuff. So I'm gonna melt a little peanut butter and put it on top of it like oil. Okay, so now we got this peanut butter, and the reason I added it at the end was because peanut butter got some oil, it will coat everything. So that is why I didn't want to coat any oil on it, and so this is what I'm gonna do now, is put this in this thing right here. Now to mix all the way through. Oh, yummy. It already smells the peanut on this. So this is the marinade for our Indonesian satay wings. You can also use, I prefer leg of chicken cut in small skewers and put it on bamboo sticks and grill it with that. So here you are. This is your Indonesian satay wings marinade. Okay, so now the same thing. We marinated our chicken wings with for the Indonesian satay. It's been marinated. Yesterday was a very hot day, so I didn't feel like marinating or cooking it yesterday. So now this is marinated almost for a day. I'm gonna get it off and let it sit here for almost, as you can see, I'm gonna let it sit here for almost half an hour with just little sesame oil tossed into it while my grill is getting ready. Always important to get the meat to room temperature. So this is a bit cold, so I want to get it ready. I'm going to massage this sesame oil properly into this chicken and roll it good, and let it sit for half an hour till we skewer it, get it to room temperature. That's it. This is Topper Chef. We got the Indonesian barbecue satay wings, and it's almost half an hour. It's come to room temperature and my grill is really hot. The coal is nice and ashen, and we're gonna smoke it, not grill it. We're gonna smoke it. You can also put it in the oven if you want to at 250 degrees, but keep it open. Okay, so now why do I use this type of skewers? Is because they don't move about too much and they are kind of broad and they sit well on my grill. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to skewer this, and this is as usual. I do this all the time, so in my other videos, just take it all the way through. About 4 or 5 a piece. In your hand. Three. Four. And 5. Hi. So this is now, our grill is ready, and I'm gonna grill the satay wings, and look at them, they'll really look good. Look at the coal. The coal is nice and hot and it's all ashen, so there's a lot of heat right inside it. So you can see once we put it, there you go. And about 5 minutes on each side will cook well. Wow, look at this, the grill and everything's warm and nice and hot, and you can see all the smoke. Now, what I was telling you yesterday, we had those heavenly wings, the Thai wings, and this is almost similar to that, and you can see I'm gonna flip this for the first time. See how, oh wow, amazing. You can see how, because that's from the peanut oil which is coming on, crusting up. Okay, so now I gotta move something, the coal there, because that coal there is really hot. Topper Chef back again. So we have our Indonesian satay wings, which we just removed from the skewer, and I'm just gonna get it off. Just like this. Oh my god, they smell good because of the peanut, and I know this is gonna be great because I can just smell it.